Welcome everyone. Today we are delving into a paramount topic: safeguarding your privacy and security by uncovering potential spy devices in your home. Your personal space should remain just that, personal. Throughout this session, I'll unveil 6 essential steps to help you detect any covert devices lurking in your surroundings. By following these steps methodically, you'll gain peace of mind and assurance in your own space. Let's embark on this journey together, ensuring your home remains your sanctuary. Step 1. Performing a physical inspection. Performing a physical inspection for hidden cameras or microphones is crucial for safeguarding your privacy and security. Begin by scrutinizing common areas where such devices could be concealed, like smoke detectors, electrical outlets, lamps, and wall decorations. Look for irregularities such as tiny holes, unusual wires, or unexpected lights or sounds emanating from electronics. Take the time to examine behind wall decorations as well as cameras and microphones could be hidden there. Keep an eye out for any objects that seem out of place or have been recently added or moved. Consider utilizing a detection device for a comprehensive sweep, especially if you're unsure about certain areas. Above all, trust your instincts. If something feels off or suspicious, investigate it promptly. By conducting a thorough physical inspection and staying vigilant, you can help ensure that your privacy remains intact and that you're not subjected to unauthorized surveillance. Step 2. Use a bug detector. Bug detectors are specialized devices designed to detect hidden cameras, microphones, and other spying devices. They function by detecting signals emitted from these covert devices, utilizing methods such as radio frequency detection, infrared detection, or magnetic field detection. RF detection is effective for identifying wireless signals, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, while IR detection helps uncover hidden cameras emitting infrared light. Magnetic field detection is useful for identifying wired surveillance devices. Bug detectors can be purchased online or at security equipment stores in various models, including handheld devices and more advanced options. The link to my favorite bug detector is in the description. You can check it out. You should carefully follow the manufacturer's instruction to ensure accurate detection and proper use. By utilizing bug detectors, you can sweep your surroundings for hidden surveillance devices and protect their privacy and security. Step 3. Scan for wireless signals. Using a Wi-Fi network scanner app on your smartphone allows you to detect any unfamiliar or unauthorized devices connected to your network. These could potentially be spy cameras or other surveillance tools. The app scans the network and lists all connected devices, enabling you to identify any suspicious ones. By regularly monitoring your network in this way, you can quickly spot any unauthorized devices and take appropriate action to protect your privacy and security. The app I use to scan hidden Wi-Fi devices is called Who Use My Wi-Fi. You'll find the link to it in the description. Before we move on to the next step, if you like our content, please subscribe to our channel. Step 4. Listen for unusual sounds. Spy devices with microphones may emit a faint buzzing or clicking noises, especially if they are actively transmitting audio. To detect these sounds, turn off all electronic devices in your home to minimize background noise. Then listen carefully for any out-of-the-place sounds that could indicate the presence of a hidden microphone. Pay attention to quiet areas or rooms where such noises would be more noticeable. If you hear any suspicious sounds, investigate further by pinpointing their source. Additionally, consider using a sound amplification device or smartphone app to enhance the ability to detect faint noises. Regularly conducting this auditory inspection can help you uncover hidden surveillance devices and protect your privacy. Step 5. Check for two-way mirrors. Inspecting mirrors in your home, especially in private areas like bathrooms and bedrooms, is crucial for detecting potentially two-way mirrors. By pressing your fingertip against the mirror surface, you can determine whether there is a gap between your fingertip and its reflection. If there is no noticeable gap, or if it seems unusually small, it could indicate that the mirror is a two-way mirror. Two-way mirrors are partially reflective and partially transparent, allowing someone on the other side to observe you without your knowledge. This simple test helps reveal hidden surveillance devices and ensure your privacy and security. If you suspect a mirror is a two-way mirror, further investigation or professional assistance may be necessary to confirm and address the issue. Step 6. Trust your instincts. Trusting your instincts is crucial for detecting hidden surveillance devices. If something feels suspicious, investigate further. Your intuition may notice subtle cues or discrepancies that signal the presence of a hidden camera or microphone. For instance, unfamiliar objects or unexplained noises can indicate surveillance. By paying attention to these instincts and thoroughly examining your surroundings, you can uncover hidden devices that may otherwise remain unnoticed, safeguarding your privacy and security. And that's a wrap, folks. You just learned 6 essential steps to detect spy devices in your home. Remember, safeguarding your privacy and security demands vigilance and awareness. If anything seems suspicious, dive deeper or reach out for professional help. Your safety matters. Don't forget to spread the word by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Stay tuned for more valuable insights into our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay secure.